2 steps. Our first step is to prepare all of our ingredients. So I have flour and egg already scrambled because we're going to be dipping the chicken into the egg. I would like to show you that when we prepare the chicken, you have this big chicken cutlet. I take off that little extra piece. We're going to take this chicken, my hand, right on top of it, and we're going to slice it right down the middle, and that's called butterflying the chicken right across. Beautiful. Perfect. And now we have 2 perfect cutlets that we're going to be putting into the egg first. And then we are going to take it from the egg, get a nice coating on it, right into the flour. Our oil is heating up on the stove right here. It seems like it's about ready. And we are taking our chicken, and we should have a nice sizzle. Yes, the sizzle is happening. And we're going to be putting 4 pieces of chicken into 1 skillet. Nice and golden brown. This is a perfect opportunity while our chicken is getting that nice golden brown is to set up our station for step 2, which is going to be the sauce using artichokes. And you should have on your station, prepare it in advance, open up your can of artichokes, drain them, squeeze your lemon. I have 2. Every family has their different flavors of how they like their acidity and lemon flavor. I'm going to have my 2 lemons all ready to go and taste it along the way. A cup of chicken broth, some white wine on hand, a nice dry white wine. This is a Sauvignon Blanc. And have my flour and my margarine ready so that after the chicken is done, step 2, making the sauce. Our chicken has a beautiful golden brown coating on it, and I'm going to set them aside into our serving dish. Came out fantastic, beautiful color. And we set that aside. So now we're going to do step 2, which is making the sauce. A roux is a wonderful base for your sauce. To make a roux, it's actually a really nice ratio, easy to remember. 1 part margarine to 1 part flour. So if you're going to be using a tablespoon of margarine, then you're going to be using a tablespoon of flour. So for our sauce, we're using 2 tablespoons of margarine, and we want this to melt in our pan. And now we're going to prepare 2 tablespoons of flour, and we will be whisking it in our pan till it gets that nice thickness that we're looking for. So we have our roux, which is all in our pan. And as we've all been waiting, this is the moment. A nice pinch of salt and our pinch of pepper into the sauce. Okay, I'm going to give a swirl. Remember I said I started with 1 lemon. And having added the artichokes, I want this sauce now to get a little bit on the thicker side. And I'm going to give it a little taste to see if I need to add more lemon. 1 lemon was perfect. Half a cup of wine, perfect. Could always use a little more salt. So put a pinch of salt in there. Put a little pinch of pepper, swirl. We take our artichokes right into the sauce. And we're going to just give this a few minutes just to heat up. It's a fantastic sauce. I added artichokes. Use this as a base sauce. You could add mushrooms into it. Whatever. My specialty is the artichokes, and that's today's recipe. Another addition that if your family likes is capers. This would be a time where you sprinkle in a few of the capers. Okay, and we want our sauce. Turn up my heat to get nice and a little thick, not too thick, just enough to pour over our chicken. We poured the sauce on top of our chicken, put it into my baking dish, and this is chicken and artichoke ready to be enjoyed